Mo.
Dama.
Ka interview pot ding. Nang namin bang?
Homna.
Kom no. Nang tan bang sa?
Tan Kat.
Tan yet. Tan yet mo. Okay. Nang namin bang?
Nomson.
Nom san tan bang sa?
Tan Som.
Tan som. Nang namin bang?
Tang Ku
Na tan bang sa?
Som Khat
Tan som tan khat. Okay. Okay, tu ni chung dong di mo. Question ngang dong ding avec wa naman wa le dollar som ning pa di. Okay. Ken dollar som ni ne. Alright. US Department Government Department แต่ mo abbreviation แต่ นัทเวียมจึงดงนึง mo ready question ngang dong ding avec wan thai bo le mo alright a thai pe pe in khot lam mo thai ma sa khot lam tu le what does CIA stand for CIA
CIA.
CIA ban bang along for ma what does CIA stand for thấy không? Có bạn thấy đâu? Con ghen đi á? CIA Central Intelligence Agency. Alright. Alright. One thấy đâu mà? Lý bác chân lại. Ngã. Ok, nó khó đâu. À cái gạt thấy gai lâu chỉ làm. Ngang đồng để ngã man bếp. Không đồng tàu đi mà. Tôi lẽ what does tôi lẽ DOT stand for DOT dot. It's all US government department. DOT. Oh, easy vậy. Ai lo làm thầy đâu mo?
Drivers Operation Transport.
No. DOT. Thầy đâu mo?
No.
Department of
Oh
Transportation.
my gosh, I knew that.
Department of Transportation. DOT. Dot. Okay. All right. Question to mom lại. Ông đồng tàu đi ngã chẳng mo. À bay mà mảng đồng đấy. What does USA stand for? Vô tang.
United States America.
Khát về lại. Đâm tắc.
United States America.
United States of America.
Yeah.
Okay. Thì okay. Khát man ngã thầy biểu. Ngã chẳng man biểu. Alright. What does what is the biggest state in the United States? Vô tang. Alaska. Okay. Alaska utang ni nga ta mo. Okay. Come on. Sangka te. Tan yet tan som le khat. To le. What is the capital city of New York? Albany. Okay. Thum. To le. Nom san te thi di khong bang dong di la bang dong lai di ke shi ke yam chi le. US Department te khang dong ning mo. What does DOJ stand for? It's a US government department. DOJ.
Department of Jobs.
No. Đek tak DOJ. Không ghen dia. Một tan ngài xin nôm lại không? Okay, huấn bay ta time out. Department of Justice.
Oh my god.
Ah.
You could have said that.
Okay. What does USPS stand for? USPS.
United States Postal Service.
United States Postal Services. Okay, utang thum mo?
Can you get out?
4 tama?
Yes?
No.
Yes?
Yeah, he got 4.
Okay, 4. One more. Okay, one more. No, chance này lại, okay? No ngã đâu lại chân.
Just give up. No.
Alright. Tôi lẽ, what does FBI stand for? FBI.
Harder.
I know it, but I don't know what it stands for.
Okay.
Federal Police Investigation.
Hello, FBI.
FBI, not
Federal Bureau Investigation.
Utangin nga eh. Federal Bureau of Investigation mo. Nga mo, tak mo, nga mo. Utangin som ni. Okay.
Oh, you
Okay.
did US government. I failed that.
Okay. Sorry guys. Next time mo, Han Jam ding next time.
Thank you.
I haven't even learned that. Bro, it's not government. A lie. I never learned
Adang
that.
sini man yang next plan adang sini
I
man.
never learned that. I'm still in middle school, man.
Okay. Cepat ni tu ada bye.